Now that bike, it only does, with me on it, it bounces the limiter, but it only does about 105 miles an hour. So you're going to, I mean, at the best, maybe hit 106.
Okay.
Yeah, you haven't gone that fast before, so you're going to go that fast today. You're gonna see how this feels, and again, we're getting on the freeway, looking for and at traffic. We may not do it on the way going up. It may be done on the way going back. We'll just see.
Can I get in between or just stay in this lane?
Nah, no split lanes. We're doing a dangerous thing in the safest manner, so I don't want you to be thinking about too much of that stuff.
All right.
that left turn, left turn. All right, and as soon as you get on the freeway, hammer it. Come on, let's go left. All right, go ahead.
Dude, it felt so weird because only time I know you're coming up next to me is I feel the bike shake.
Yeah. So that's your draft coming in. You feel that wind coming off and around. And when we're on the racetrack,
Yeah.
that's the fastest the bike can go in the street.
Okay. So it's down to go up? Yeah, okay.
First gear's up, everything's down.
Alright.
Later.
put steering dampers on. This one came with one, but the technique I've always had is loose arms, and when it does it, you're just like this anyway. So it's like, and then that's it. But you're staying in that throttle. But you have to have your butt back, like I said when we started, because your weight is on that back tire. Your front on acceleration is gliding.
Yeah, no, sometimes I kind of feel like pick up a little bit and then.
Yeah. So that's why that weight on the back, that's where you're at. So you're like this. That's all it's going to do.
Okay.
So I just wanted you to be introduced to speed.
It felt good, but I was just so focused on like getting there, especially coming up over that hill you can't really see.
You look for the first reference. So like if you're going up over that hill, and as soon as that hill drops away, you may not see the road, but if you see that K-rail, that's your reference, because you know the road's right next to it. It's the same thing on the track. As you come around, let's say turn 15, turn 5 over Thunder Hill, right? You're going to come around 3, which is lean this way. So you're going to be gentle on the throttle. You're going to come around there, we go around that corner, instantly over to this way, boom, and you're looking up the hill. Curbing. You see the curbing, you go at that curbing. Because you're going to see both the curves, and you know the track is between that. But the track goes like this. It's like Laguna Seca.
Oh, you talk about the one from the long. Well, I mean, there's two of them though. Yeah.
Well, there's two at Thunder Hill. One's just a drop away to the right, but this one peaks and goes over. You cannot see the other side of the road. Turn 9 going into 10, 8, 9 basically. You can see the track over here as you're cresting over the hill. But we're going back to 5, where you have no visual on the other side of that hill. You go at that curve, because we're slowing down anyway, you're linked over, and then you immediately just go over, and as soon as you see that, you see your exit. You're always looking for that continuance of track. So, yeah, like that little hill there, it drops away.
Yeah.
You don't see anything, and then you see stuff. So it's kind of like your visual goes like this, and then you meet with it.